If Telegram desktop is showing error 4U14, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix. This issue can happen when your session gets corrupted, your cache becomes outdated, your proxy settings are unstable, or your network stack needs a reset. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is logging out and re-logging in. In Telegram desktop, your current session may be stuck or the local authorization key may no longer be valid. So go ahead and terminate the current desktop session if possible, or close Telegram completely and clear the local app data so it can build a fresh connection. Once that is done, open Telegram again and sign back in with your account. This fresh authorization step often clears error 4014 right away because it forces Telegram to create a new session instead of using a broken one. Next, if the issue is still there, clear the app cache. To do that, open Telegram desktop, go into settings, then advanced, then data and storage. Inside that menu, look for the option to clear local cache. Cached data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and when that happens, Telegram may fail to connect properly or load your session correctly. Clearing the cache does not usually delete your account or messages from the cloud, but it can remove temporary files that are causing the error. After clearing the cache, restart Telegram and check whether the problem is gone. If you still see error 4014, the next thing to check is your proxy settings. A dead, unstable, or misconfigured proxy can easily stop Telegram from connecting the right way. Open the advanced settings again and look for your connection or proxy options. If Telegram is trying to route traffic through a proxy that is no longer working, switch the connection type to Default TCP. This tells Telegram to use its normal direct connection instead of relying on a proxy that might be broken. After changing that setting, save it, close Telegram, and reopen it so the new connection mode can take effect. Now, if the error continues, it may be a network issue on your device rather than Telegram itself. In that case, you should reset your network stack. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the commands to flush your DNS and reset your IP configuration. This helps clear bad network records and refreshes your internet connection settings. When those commands complete, restart your computer so the changes can fully apply. After the restart, launch Telegram again and test the connection. In many cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve the problem: re-login, clearing cache, fixing proxy settings, or resetting the network stack. If Telegram still isn't working after that, the issue may be related to your internet provider, a firewall, or a temporary Telegram server problem. But these steps solve the most common causes first. So to recap, start by logging out and back in, then clear the cache, then check your proxy and switch to Default TCP, and finally reset your DNS and IP settings. Those steps give you the best chance of fixing Telegram error 4014 quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe because it really supports the channel and helps you find more easy fixes like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.